So what we did was secure the roof. As you can see, the damage on the front, the main bit is that the wheels push back and that the wing is dented and the light smashed. The kid holding the actual camera is me walking back and forth, absolutely chuffed to bits with the car. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to give you a bit of rev so you can hear what's going on. This one here is when I've totally buffed down the car. I've sorted it all out. This came up when I checked it. Got some bits of fleck of metal. I can't tell you how gutted I was. So please tune in to the next video to